What if you ate 6 times faster than a normal person? As a kid, we would love to grow old as soon and quickly as possible. But imagine having stiff joint, delayed or abnormal tooth formation, hearing loss, hip dislocation, high pitched voice, visible veins, thin skin with spots and wrinkles, rare progressive heart and blood vessels, insulin resistant skeletal abnormalities and fragile bones, loss of fat under the skin on trunks and extremities, hair loss including eyelashes and eyebrows, prominent eyes and incomplete closure of eyelids, narrowed face, small lower jaw, thin lips and weak nose, slow growth with below average height and weight. Sounds horrifying, right? But what is even the syndrome called? Hutchinson-Gilford Progeria syndrome. A scientific name. Hmm, let's cut it short. Progeria. Progeria, a rare genetic condition causing premature aging, is extremely rare progressive genetic disorder that causes children to age rapidly, starting from the first 2 years of life. Now we have two skeletal diagrams. A shows the facial structure of a person with progeria, and B shows the facial structure of a normal person. But the surprisingly insane part is that two of the diagrams belong to the same person but at the different ages. B is before the syndrome, and A is after the syndrome was diagnosed. Because the children with progeria generally appear normal at the birth. In first years, signs and symptoms such as slow growth, hair loss begin to happen. Heart problems or strokes are the eventual cause of death in most children with progeria. The average age expectancy of a progerian child is 13 years. Some with the disease may die younger, or others may live longer, even up to 20 years. But the lucky part is that the people with progeria have reached up to ages between 40 to 45 years. But how is progeria even caused? A single gene mutation is responsible for progeria. The gene, known as lemon makes the protein necessary for holding the center of cell nucleus together. When this gene has defect or mutation, an abnormal form of lemon protein called progerin is produced and makes the cell unstable. This appears to lead the progeria's aging process. Unlike many genetic mutations, progeria is rarely passed down in families. The gene mutation has rare chances of occurrence in the majority of the cases. This syndrome is even found in mice.